will alert the operator to check the gondola to see if there's a problem. The white button is for interior lights, and the blue button will turn audio on and off. The Skywheel will lift you 53 meters, over 175 feet above the ground, which is about as tall as the waterfalls themselves. The speed of the wheel is set at approximately 4.5 kilometers per hour, which allows a perfect opportunity to sit back, relax, and enjoy the view. Look to the south, and you'll see the majestic Canadian Horseshoe Falls, with Falls View Casino, Skylon Tower, and Dinosaur Adventure Golf in the foreground. Up to 90% of the water in the Niagara River flows over the Canadian Falls, as much as 2.8 million liters, 740,000 gallons per second. Just left of the Canadian Falls is the American Falls, surrounded by Niagara Falls, New York. Facing north, Casino Niagara is located across from the Rainbow Bridge, which has connected Canada and the United States since 1941. West, of course, is Niagara Falls, Ontario. And around the base of the wheel is a phenomenal bird's-eye view of Clifton Hill. From thrilling attractions like Zombie Attack and Carnival Chaos, to fun for the whole family at Niagara Speedway and Strike Game Zone, there are opportunities for fun everywhere you look. After all, life is like a Ferris wheel. Sometimes you're up, and sometimes you're down. But it's always a ride. We hope you enjoy Niagara Skywheel and the rest of your day in Niagara Falls.